So I got here three envelopes, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So each envelope has an idea, or let's say
Okay.
has a topic, okay? But
Okay.
I label these envelopes with a black and with a pink and a green. It's all about the colors. And
Okay.
so, what's up, guys? Ahmed here. Today we have a special guest. She's an English teacher and she's from India, especially in specific, she's from Delhi. And actually, I'm very happy to have such amazing tutor here on my YouTube channel. Also, she has a YouTube channel, and her name is Namreta.
Yes, it's Namrata Kharga. Thank you, Ahmed,
Well,
for having me
welcome
here.
to you. Welcome to you. Could you please introduce yourself to my audience?
Yes, sure. Hi, guys. This is Namrata, and I am so happy to be here on MS channel. I'm from India. I live in Delhi. I am from Darjeeling, a small town in West Bengal, but I live in Delhi. It's been almost 2 decades that I'm in Delhi. And besides being an educator, I also make YouTube videos. I have a
Yeah.
channel here. And before getting into the field of education, I was an HR manager and have worked with many IT industries and even BPOs I have worked with. So, yeah, life has been very interesting since I've started YouTube. And yeah, that's about me.
Yeah. Thank you so much for this lovely introduction about you. In today's video, uh, the situation is a little bit different, because my audience used to see me and like I'm smiling all the time. And I like this way of practicing. I like to practice my English during having fun. So in
Hmm.
today's video, actually, I have a game with me. So do you want to play a game?
Yes, I cannot wait to play it. What is
Okay.
it?
Okay. So I got here three envelopes. Okay.
Hmm.
So each envelope has an idea, or let's say
Okay.
has a topic. Okay. But
Okay.
I label these envelopes with a black and with a pink and a green. It's all about the colors. And
Okay.
let's try out your favorite color and your luck. Okay. So what will you choose from these envelopes?
Not pink. It
Okay.
would
So
be either green or black. Let's
if I,
go with
if,
the black.
and the black, I was going to tell you, like, if you want my recommendation, I would give you a black because it is very
Okay.
this topic. It's the most interesting topic, okay, that I have got so far.
And
Okay,
what is the topic?
do you want it?
My heart
Do
is
you want it?
pounding fast.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. I'm gonna reveal it. Okay, it is Arabic and English challenging words. Okay, let me
Wow.
explain. Let me explain to you. So in this game, I'm going to give you an Arabic word. Okay, and I'm going to give you like a short explanation about
Uh
this
huh.
word. I'm going to give you like a clues, and you have to figure out this word in English. Okay.
Okay. God help me.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So I got here. Let me check out my list. I got here actually one, two, three, four words in Arabic. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Let's start off with the first word.
Okay.
Okay.
Shoot.
The okay. The first word is manshafe.
What?
Okay. Can you pronounce it? Give it a try.
Manshafe. Manshafe.
It- That's right. Yeah. Okay. It is It is something that you use it right after taking shower.
Right after taking shower. What do you use it for? Is it towel? Bathrobe?
What?
Is it
What?
bathrobe or is it a towel to wipe yourself?
That's right. Yeah, you are on the fire.
Okay, so it's
Towel.
a towel. Okay,
It
manshava.
is a
Okay,
towel. Yeah, we call
okay,
it here
wow.
manshafa.
Manshafa. Is it
I-
manshafa or manshava?
No, no, you write it.
First time.
You said it good.
Manshafa.
Yeah, yeah. Manshafa.
Manshafa. Okay. Wow. I learned a
Yeah,
new word. Yes.
yeah. Okay, you have a point. Now you got a point. Okay.
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 Let's start with the other one. Okay. ملعقة.
Malacca. I know it's a name of a town in Malaysia, but what is
Uh,
it in Arabic?
Interesting.
Malacca.
Okay. It is okay. It is made out of metal, and you can find it uh, in the kitchen.
It's made of metal and you can find it in kitchen. Is it some frying pan? No?
Um, no, but you are near.
Oh, it's like warm. I'm not yet like
It is
okay.
in the kitchen. It means like it is from the family of pan and other things.
Okay, pot, cooker.
Um, no. Okay, you can find. Okay, let's get this easier for you. You can find it on the table when you want to have your lunch, your dinner.
Plate. No?
What we put beside the plate?
Bowl.
No,
Bowl
no.
beside the plate. You
What do
can
you use
find it
when
on
what do you use when you eat?
uh spoon and fork.
Exactly, a spoon.
Oh, spoon. And what did you say the word was?
ملعقة. So
Malacca. Oh
ملعقة
yes,
equal
Malacca.
ملعقة equal spoon.
Malacca. Okay, Malacca.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, that will be easy one to remember. I've already forgotten the first one.
What the first one? Yeah, it was منشفة. A
Manjapa. Okay.
towel, a towel.
Okay. Yeah. Towel.
But you have counted.
Malacca.
You have counted all the stuff around the kitchen to reach
Yeah,
the spoon,
I have. Okay.
the plate, the pot. You forgot
Plate, the
about the
pot,
stove.
the bowl. I did not say glass. I was about to
Wow.
say table. I was about to say table. I was like, table.
Okay. Wow. This is very interesting. We have the third word is سيارة.
Tiara. Okay. And
Can you
give me
pro-
some
can you
hint.
pro- can you
Tiara.
pronounce it again?
Tiara.
With the letter S. سيارة.
Tiara.
Exactly. Yeah. you
Tiara.
you are right. So let me give you
Tiara.
a clue about سيارة. Okay. It is a machine,
Uh-huh.
and this machine can help you to get from a place to another.
It can help me get from one flight to another.
From place to another.
Okay. Tiara.
Yeah.
Is it a car?
Exactly. Yeah. I was going to tell you it has a four wheels. It's kind of transportation, but you were good.
No, the moment you said from one place to another, I was like, has to be car.
Wow. But like yeah, maybe you should have said like a plane or a boat. All these machines like help you to move from place to another, but you were good.
I thought let me start from the basic and then gradually move
The
up.
base.
If you let me start from the base and then move up in case I'm not right. The
Yeah,
moment you
yeah,
say
you are
no,
clever.
no, then
Yeah.
I'll keep giving you the name of bigger vehicles, car and then truck and then something else. So that was the
Exactly. Yeah,
plan.
I was going to tell her like, well, it has a four wheels, but I said no. She will get the answer quickly. I have to make it like hard for her and tell her like it's kind of transportation. So she
Hmm.
will she will dive into transportation machines like plane, boat, cars, vehicles, bicycles. She was, but you were good. The luck was with
Yeah.
you. Today is your lucky day.
Yes, yes, yes. 3 words
Okay.
down.
Yeah. Thank you, Namrata, for your time. Actually, I enjoyed a lot having a conversation, a funny actually conversation with you, playing this game. And I hope from my subscribers to find her channel link on my description box. I'm going to leave the link of her channel. And if you are interested with learn English, please hit the link below and watch some videos of her channel. You will get a lot of about English. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, Ahmed, for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you. It was lovely meeting you, and I hope I will meet you next.
Yes, I'm sure we should do this. I think more often. It was fun. I had a blast today. I have been laughing since morning, and it was a great day. Thank you so much for making it such a wonderful day, Ahmed.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Actually, you made my day. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you.
Yeah.